Good morning. Namaskar, dear students. As you know, we are learning Unit 2 Family. In our previous video class, we practiced plug-in rules, spelling rules, right? So, today's topic is very interesting. Do you know why I am so happy today? Yes, because today we are going to learn the poem about our parents, the world, the gods, the real gods which we see all day around ourselves. Right? So before starting the poem, let's revise what we learned in our previous video class. As you know, today's date is 22 May 2020. Here I am starting the revision, okay, of yesterday's English class. In our yesterday's class, we learned some spelling rules regarding yes, right, then INGs. So let's see, when we add a suffix that begins with E, like ED, ES, EST or ER, to the word that ends in Y, the Y is changed to I. This is what we learned yesterday, and some examples like cry, cried, baby, babies, ugly, ugliest. Then what we learned? We keep Y when their suffix is ing, like studying, STUDYING, studying. Then drying, then laying, then trying. Okay. Then what is the next part we learned? For making plurals of the words that end in S, ES, SH, S, SH, CH, X and Z, we add the ES as a suffix to that words. What are the examples? Bus, buses, box, boxes. Then crash, crashes. Quiz, quizzes. Then church, churches. Right. And then we learned about the short vowel and long vowel. Short vowel and long vowel. How? Hop, hope. Cop, cope. Hat, hate. Then dine. Pop, pop. Okay, this is what we learned. And we also practiced first question as spell the words correctly, and then second question, these misplaced words we have to change them with the correct words, right? We have to exchange the misplaced words with correct words. This is what we learned yesterday. Now today we are going to learn new poem of Mama and Mama's little boy or girl. This poem is about our parents. And if we decide to speak about our dearest mother or father, the whole day's time will be reduced in our communication, but still we need the time. Why? Because time is very short thing when we speak about our mother. Even we can't get more words. All the words of the word will finish when we sit to describe our mother as a human, right? So let's see Rabindranath Tagore's poem, My Song. Before this, do you know which is your mother's favorite song? If you don't know, then go and ask your mother, because your today's homework is based on your mother's choice, right? So get back soon with your textbook. We will start. Okay, let's read this poem with me. Then I will share some important things about our mother, right? Let's start. My song. This song of mine will wind its music around you. Wind means to cover or encircle, right? My child, like the fond arms of love, this song of mine will touch your forehead like a kiss of blessing. When you are alone, it will sit by your side and whisper in your ear. When you are in the crowd, it will fence you about with aloofness. Aloofness means the quality of being uninterested in people. My song will be like a pair of wings to your dreams. It will transport your heart to the verge of the unknown. Here, border or edge, right? It will be like the faithful star overhead. When dark night is over your road, my song will sit in the pupils of your eyes and will carry your sight into the heart of things. And when my voice is silent in death, my song will speak in your living heart. Rabindranath Tagore. Alright. As you know, Rabindranath Tagore is the heart and soul of Indian literature. His all the poems and creations are filled with love, affection, care, truthfulness, honesty, and the all morals of our culture, right? Our Indian culture is filled with love, honesty, then discipline. So this is what we are going to learn from this poem. In this poem, the feeling of a parent for her children or for the daughter or the son is expressed by arranging the words in miracle, right? This poem is miracle because each and every word is very simple in this poem, but when we read this poem with truthfulness and from the bottom of our heart, we will get more and more content, we will get more and more explanation when we start this poem, right? Just read it silently. You also realize that how it is hard or how it is special to become a parent, right? Our parents love us from bottom of their heart and they are ready to help us, to do everything for us. Even in these lockdown days, you can realize, I think that all of you have realized this, your mother is sitting next to you while you are practicing on phone, while you are trying to learn on phone, and she is also learning with you. She is also sitting beside you. She stand for you in these tough days just to make you sure that you are not alone. She is there for you in any situation of your life. This is what we learn from this lockdown days, that our parents are the only persons or people in the world that loves us without the limit of time and the other limitations. They do whatever is necessary for us anyhow. For doing better for their children, they will just break down the limitations. They will just go ahead of the time. They will wait till midnight. They will also prepare for you. Your mother is providing you snacks, food, coffee or milk while you are learning, right? Is it happening with you? Yes, I am sure that your mothers are taking care of you in this way only, just to make you comfortable sitting with your phone and learn from the video class, right? So let's see, means today's day is only for mama and papa, right? Let's start the poem. This song of mine will wind its music around you. Means my song is the cover, is the shelter for you when the world is filled with music for you. Do you know this song, Tu Kitni Achhi Hai? In this poem, the author, the narrator is telling us the importance and the job of mother, how difficult it is to be a mother, right? From this line, this song of mine will wind its music around you, means your life is under the shelter of my motherhood. Okay, since you are a small baby, okay, since I felt the first emotion with the connection of you, right? At that time, from means since this time when I realized that you will be the part of my life, and at till the end of my life, my love, the song of my love will shelter your life, though you are having music of the world around you. Means though you will get many relations, friendships, peoples in your life, but the song of mine means my love is the only rope or the shelter to cover all your sorrows, have goodwills, then happiness, joy in your life. Means our mama or our parents will be there in each and every moment of our life. Second, my child, like the fond arms of love. How do you feel when your mother hugs you? I feel very happy, though I am missing my mother a lot. But when my little daughter hugs me tightly, I feel really relaxed, and this hug will gives me inspiration and motivation. Even some students also hug me every day when I go to school. Now I am really missing school days and you all people, because your shiny eyes and the faces full of smile encourage me to share more and more content with you. I'm missing this a lot, and whenever I record video, I just thought you all are sitting beside me and I am speaking with you. Then only it is possible. Otherwise, it's not possible for me to shoot video by thinking as a teacher, right? I'm just your friend in this poem. Today I am also student like you. We have to just see and learn what Rabindranath Tagore wants to convey us as a parent, right? Then second, what is the line, third line? This song of mine will touch your forehead like a kiss of blessing. Yes, whenever our mother kisses us here, we feel that we are the luckiest people and we are the king of the world. Why? Because the warmth, the love and the touch of the motherhood is the motivator, is the energy booster for each and every person on this world. No one in the world is no one in the world is without the feeling of kiss of mother. When our mother kisses us on the forehead, she gives us all her energy and bliss at our Agya Chakra. If you remember, here we are having our Agya Chakra, means the energy source, right? So when our mother kisses us here, she transforms her energy, her positivity, her motivation in ourselves, and then that's why we are feeling energetic and happy, right? So next, when you are alone, it will sit by your side. When you are alone, it will sit by your side and whisper in your ear. There are a lot of situations in our life. I share about myself. So many times it happened with me that I want everything is finished and I am really very unsuccessful person, nothing is in my control, and whenever I sat alone and with eyes filled with tear, I realized that someone is there around me who wants to hold my hand tightly, who wants to stand for me and just to make me comfortable, just to convince me that life is very beautiful. You can just step forward to get the new opportunities, to get the new experiences in our life also. Sometimes what happen, we get less marks as a student. We are scared for marks and the results of games, right? Or even if you are practicing cycle skating, you got hurt, and then you realize that your mother is the first person who run for you, right? Then your mother will take haldi and all that kind of cream, she apply it by just doing that kind of actions. It is hurting, do you feeling pain, all these kind of things. She is in worry, she thought that the whole world is very difficult, right? And she is just trying to make you comfortable. Don't worry, I am with you, right? So the speaker, right, the author is saying us, As a child, as a grown up, or as an elderly person, means when you become grandma, grandfather, when you become adult like me, or when you a single, means simple child, in all the stages of your life, whenever you feel that, means as a child if you miss your or lost your hanky, as an adult if you lost your job, or as elderly people if you are facing health issues, still I am with you. My song, my trust, my love, my motivation will be with you to sit side by side of yourself and to guide you, to whisper in your ear, means to convey the positivity of my thoughts, of my loves in your life. Means at the all stages of our life, our mother, means our parents' love will be the motivator or the energy booster for all of us. Even we think about a simple child, small child, elderly people, or the elderly people, their mother is always with them in the form of motivation. Okay, then what happens when you are in the crowd? It will fence you about the aloofness. Sometimes it happens that we don't like to speak with others. We just want to enjoy our own company. We want to just take a break and spend time with ourselves only, right? So for self realization, or what we can call it, self assessment, right? Analyzing ourselves. It happen with you also. Sometimes you don't like to speak with your friends, with your family members. You want to sit alone in your room or any corner of the room. Then what happen? Remember, means you can agree with me if I say this. When we are getting tired, or we are having lot of anger about someone's action, what we do? We just go away at the silent place and we can sit like this. Then our mother comes and just holds our shoulders, or just pamper us with the touch of kindness, and she asks us, what happened, beta? When we heard that what happened, beta, we feel that yes, it's a time to just say everything, whatever we feel about the situation. So mother is telling us that at the crowd of people, when you are in the crowd and when you are alone, both the situation, I am there in the form of love inside your heart, in the form of motivation in your brain, inside the life, the morals of your life. I am there to protect you, to stand with you, to guide you, right? Then next, see the next line. My song will be like a pair of wings to your dreams. Yes, when I was child, I was trying to learn bicycle, how to ride a bicycle. So many times I failed, I hurt myself. My father was only person who suggested me that I know, who motivated me. I know one day you will ride bicycle like me, right? So this motivation will boost my energy, right? Means my father, even today also, if I am failed to do something, my father is saying it's okay, you will learn by doing it continuously, you can try one more time. Then second time also if I fail, then he said no, it's okay, no problem, you can try one more time, but try in different way. So in this line, the parents are the wings. Without wings, birds can't fly, right? So mother and father are the two wings when you are trying to fly up in the sky of your dreams. Even you can just realize you are having music classes, swimming classes, karate classes, and all that kind, dance classes. Who is the person with you to drop you, okay, to the class, to take care of your schedule? Your parents. Are your neighbors coming with you for these all things? No. Your parents are the supporters, are the people who becomes your wings, your father and mother. Though your father is not able to come with you every day, but your father is making you sure by financial efforts, right? Your mother is giving her time to you just to make you feel secure, just to make you comfortable in the class of swimming or dancing also. So our father and mother are the wings. Our parents are the two wings which help us to fly in the sky of dreams. Our dreams can be possible as a reality only when we get the bless of our family and parents. Then what happens? It will transport your heart to the verge of the unknown. Means parents' motivation is the thing which boosts us, or which can push us to the means to ahead step by step. Our parents are helping us to progress one step, then second, one by one, right? So even we can get the knowledge of unknown, means we can reach till the means we can reach at the level of highest knowledgeable person only when our parents are with you, right, with ourselves. If your parents support you, then they will become the path, they will become the guideline for you to achieve the greatest things in the world, right? So today what we did, we learned half of the poem. From this content, from these few lines, we learned that our parents are our world. Without our parents, nothing is impossible for us. You think that no, it is not true. Some people are don't having parents, but till they achieve their destinations. Yes, it is true. But having mothers and fathers' guidance is the bless, right? If I missed my mother, okay, I lost my mother when I was a child. I remember her by the stories of my family members, but I got the teachers who loved me like their own child, right? Means I experienced the feeling of motherhood from my teachers, from my father. That's why I am very happy to have the people like my mother in my life who guided me, who motivated me to become a good human being. Though I am not very big celebrity or most popular person of the earth, but still I am having the people around me who can love me like my mother. And when you have the feeling of loved by someone, means by your parents, when you know that your parents are supporting you, when your parents are making easy, means your parents are making the things easy for you, this is the quality, or this is the time got to know that God is blessing with his positive vibes. Your parents are the positive blessings of God which gives you the right direction to achieve your dreams, to chase your dreams, right? This is what we learned today. Now what is your today's homework? Today you have to write the hard words wind, aloofness and second one verge in your notebook literature part. How can you write? Write the heading Unit 2 family, poem, my song, hard words, and these 4 hard words is writing homework. And second homework is you can just sing your mother's favorite song with your mother. You have to record it and if possible send it to me. You have to record one song of your mother which is very favorite for her, right? I will also record with my daughter. You all have to record with your mother. You have to send it to me personally, right? I will be very happy to see which means to listen your mother's and your melodious voice. Do you remember for in prior I gave you one homework to share your experience about sports day with your parents, right? Only few students have sent these videos to me. What about others? Listen, my videos are means my homeworks are the topics which are helpful to create bond between you and your family. Today's homework is compulsory for everyone. You have to record your mother's favorite song while you both are singing this song together, and please send it to me. Not only mother, papa also. So today you have a small feast of music from me, right? Sit together with your parents and record their favorite song as you three are singing it and send it to me. I am waiting for your reply. Bye. Thank you.